Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial on how to make an oobleck.
Here are the ingredients and how to make it.
You need cornstarch and water.
You can also add extra things like food coloring or other accessories. Let's start.
We need 1 cup of water.
And then we need 2 cups of cornstarch.
You can make a bigger portion by adding another cup of cornstarch and another half cup of water. Now we put these ingredients in a bowl and mix.
You can add some food coloring into the water beforehand if you want your oobleck to have color.
Now mix.
Now keep mixing until you see something like this. Now here is the final result.
You can add accessories to make it better looking.
Now we will test the product.
Wow, look at that.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.